In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no license error when trying to launch a Steam game. So if you want to fix this, you first need to head over to an internet browser, and then we're just going to head over to a search engine like Google, and you need to type in steam_api.dll space download and hit enter. Then you need to click on this top search result, and from here, we're just going to scroll down the page, and you should see this download link. Go ahead and click on this, and then just wait a couple of seconds while that goes to your download folder. Now, the next thing you need to do is head back over to Google, and this time type in steam_api64.dll download, and this time we're going to click on this search result over here. Scroll down again, and once again we're going to click on this download link, and then give that a few seconds to download to your computer. Once that's downloaded, you should have these two zip files, and what we're going to do is just open both of these folders up like so. And now, as you can see, we have these two files. Now, what you need to do is head over to your Steam application, click on Library from the top navigation, and then locate the game you're having issues launching. So let's say, for example, I'm having issues launching Marvel Rivals. What you need to do is right click on it, select Manage, and then select Browse Local Files. And then from here, we're going to drag over those files that we just downloaded. So the first one is this steam_api.dll. Drag this over like so. Once you've got that in here, we're going to do the same thing for the 64 file as well. Just drag this over. Once you've done that, head back over to your Steam application, click on Steam in the top left hand side, select Settings, click Downloads from the left navigation, and then we're going to click on Clear Cache and press Yes to confirm. So this is going to log you out of Steam, and you'll be required to log back in. Once you're logged back in, try launching up your game, and that should have fixed any issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.